you should be familiar with the quotient rule and how to use the chain rule. If you're not, please head to the description where I've provided videos on both of those. We know that the numerator is u and the denominator is v. Our quotient rule formula is u dash v minus u v dash over v squared. U dash is the universal notation for du dx, and v dash is the universal notation for dv dx. So let's first do du over dx, which is going to be minus 4 sine 4x. I've used the chain rule there. And dv dx, which is 3x squared differentiated, which is pretty simple, so it's 6x. Now we can substitute all of these in. We've got u, we've got v, and we can plop it into the quotient rule formula. So v is 3x squared, so 3x squared. U dash is minus 4 sine 4x minus u, which is cos 4x, and v dash, which is 6x. Right here. We divide all of that by v squared, so that is 3x squared all squared. And we can now simplify this out. So that's going to be minus 12x squared sine 4x, so that's this part, minus, and that's pretty straightforward, it's just 6x cos 4x, all divided by 9x to the 4.